Up on Sammy here. I'm going to start this video off a little unusual. I've had oil problems, and I was wearing a mask on my last couple of videos. I was asked by one of my subscribers to please remove the mask because people with hearing problems like to see your lips, where they can read your lips. I can understand that because I have hearing problems. I usually wear hearing aids. When I video, I don't have them on. So, thinking about my subscribers, I took the mask off. So bear with me. The other day, I was at the gym. We're walking, Bobby and I were. This left shoe, and I've had them for a long time, but they are sure comfortable. I don't wear them that often. You can tell by looking. But they're really, really comfortable. All right? This left shoe kept feeling funny. I was actually tripping on the treadmill every once in a while. So when I got home, I pulled it off right here. I wish I'd have filmed it when I was fixing it. But this part of the shoe, the sole had peeled down. It had separated. Instead of being like this, it was like this. The whole bottom, halfway down the shoe, had come loose. Well, like I said, I've had them for a while. They're comfortable. I enjoy wearing them. I like to walk in them. So I said, okay, I'm going to fix that. So I come out here to my madhouse, my playhouse, and I got my Wellwood contact glue. People, this stuff is worth its weight in gold. Now, what you do is, you open it up, which I don't want to open it right now, leave it good and closed. You open it up. All right. The glue is, I don't know how you would say it, semi-liquid. It'll flow, but it's really slow. Take your paintbrush, load it up. Get it good and loaded. Now here's where it starts. When you separate this, you want to glue the underside. Oh, drop my phone. You want to glue the underside of the leather first. Hold the toe out. When it's contact glue, and that's why it's called contact, when you coat leather and sole on the inside and push it together, it's stuck. Contact, period. So you got to be careful. When you're holding it open, go in there and coat the bottom good. Hold it open, coat the top good, and very gently start at the bottom and work it in right and shove it. And just hold it for a couple of seconds. The best thing to do is let it dry for 4 or 5 hours. I didn't. I put the shoe on right away and started walking. Oh, that was a week or so ago. Still holding up. I walk 1.5 miles at the club every day. For 2 weeks, these shoes has been walking 1.5 miles every day at the club. That's not counting shopping at Walmart and visiting family in the hospital and going to basketball games and none of that. But it held up. People, when you have good stuff like this, good leather shoes, and I'm not even sure of the brand. It's been so long. But they're really good shoes. The name of them, yeah, I don't even see a name. It's all wore out. Oh well, like I said, it's been worth it. They have really did me a good job. Like and subscribe.